Morning guys, thought I'd drop in and do a quick video on our customized one-page enrollment. I'm actually going to do 3 videos rather than one long one, so it won't be as confusing. So I'll send you the customized one-page enrollment form, which is in an Excel spreadsheet like this, and there's only certain spots that you need to change, and don't change anything that I don't tell you to change. This form's great for customers who are unsure or computer illiterate and aren't sure how to do stuff. You can actually set this up for them, send it to them, they click on it, and they just have to enter their personal details and their credit card. It also is good for someone who has an unusual order. So let's go through the process and we'll show you how it works. So this is the first page, and as you see at the top it says sponsor, and that is who you are. So your username goes here. So if we click on here, I'm going to put in Susie Q and tab. Next box says whether they want a retailer preferred or an associate, and you'll see here it says one or blank. So, and then next door to it, it says do not change. So I don't know why you'd ever leave it blank, but you only ever put a 1 in the box that you want. So at the moment we want an associate, so there's already a 1 in there. So we'll just leave it. Do not change any of this. The next step is the country. Same thing. It'll be a 1 or a blank. I'm still not sure why you'd leave it blank. So you just place a 1 in the country that your customer is from. So we are in Australia, so let's delete the United States. Delete. Come down to Australia and place a 1, tab across, and at the bottom it'll show you that your username, your associate type, and the country. Now if you've done anything wrong in that top box, it will show you. For instance, let's just show you, if I put a 2 in here by accident, it's going to tell me the country is fix the error in account type. So always check the bottom. Let's go back and put a 1, and make sure that this down here reads correctly. Okay, that step's done. Step 2. Step 2 is all of our products that we have. They're SKU codes on the left here, all the way down. You'll have the product, the category they belong to, individual, supplements, control boxes, essentials, and then you have this information over here at all. Now, this says do not change. So don't change anything in this box at all. It's all set up properly. The only thing you need to concern yourself with is this here. You either need to leave a 1, a 2, or leave it blank because it's the quantity that you want. So today we're going to leave the renew, which is a 1 in there because that's how it comes. Next, go to the step 3, which is your smart ship. It's exactly the same screen. All it is it's going to set their smart ship up. So we're just going to leave this one as renew. Go to the next step. Now this step shows you it's like a summary page. So it'll tell you that they've ordered renew, that they wanted 1, and this is their item code. For their smart ship, they also have renew, and they also want 1 every month, and this is their code. That's it. All you need to do now is copy this link here. So click on it, copy it. Let's go to a clean internet page, paste the link in, hit enter, and that will then take you to your back office. So this is going to show my back office, and it's going to get the customer to the point where all they need to do is enter their details. So there you go. So this is exactly where it takes them. It tells them who's their enrolling associate. All they need to do is enter their personal information, their address, their username, shipping details, payment method, and agree. Then click continue next, and it's done. So you can see on the right hand side that they have their membership added, they have renew, normal order, and then they have a smart ship set up for renew as well, and it will run every month on the 22nd of October. That's pretty much it. That's the basis of it. So go have a play, see how you go, just change those things I showed you and come back for video.